Where have you been?
Out.
Where?
Just out. Thinking.
Late?
I had a lot to think about.
Over dinner.
Sorry.
Not my dinner. My dinner was fine. Your dinner I put back in the oven and I turned it up so high that I could watch it burn black. It's still hot if you want some.
You didn't have to do that.
No, I know. It just seemed like the kind of thing that a sex-starved, mentally deranged, pill-popping housewife would do.
Uh-huh.
So I did it. Who knows what I have to do anymore?
How many pills?
A bunch. Don't change the subject.
I won't talk to you when you...
No. I'm not the problem. Pills aren't the problem. Not our problem. I want to know where you've been and I want to know what's going on.
Going off what? The job?
No, not the job.
I told you I needed more time.
Not
Mr.
the job.
Brown and I said, we talked on the phone. He told me I needed to hurry.
Not the job.
And what do you want to talk about? I can't talk sensible about anything with you.
Oh my God, shut up.
Then what?
Stick to the subject.
I don't know what that is. You have something to ask me? Ask me, go.
I can't. I'm scared of you.
I'm tired. I'm going to bed.
Ask me without me having to ask you. Tell me.
This is crazy. I'm not.
When you come home at night, you're never exactly the way I remember you. I get surprised by something mean and hard in the way that you look. I mean, even the weight of you in bed at night or the way that you breathe in your sleep, it terrifies me.
I know who you are.
Yep. Yep, I'm the enemy. It's my fault. That's easy. That doesn't change, right? Do you think you're the only one who hates sex? I do. I hate it with you. I do. I dream that you batter away at my body until all my joints fall apart like wax and I fall into pieces. It's like a punishment. I never should have married you. I knew that you... It's a sin and it's killing us both.
I can tell when you have taken pills. You get red face and sweaty, and frankly, that's often why I don't want to.
Because...
Well, because you're not pretty. Not like this.
I have something to ask you.
Then ask. Ask. What
Are
the
you a
hell?
homo? Are you? If you walk out that door right now, I swear to God, I will put your dinner back in the oven and I will turn it up until the whole building fills with smoke and everyone in it asphyxiates. I swear to God, I will do it. So answer the question.
What if I...
Oh, then tell me and we'll see.
No, I'm not. And I don't see the difference it makes.